Is YouTube TV good for sports? Yes, it's a strong option for most sports fans. YouTube TV offers a solid lineup of sports networks, including ESPN, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, CBS Sports, and regional sports networks, RSNs, in many areas. This makes it a great choice for watching live events like NFL games, college football, NBA matchups, MLB games, and even golf or soccer tournaments. It also includes TNT and TBS, which airs select sports events. One standout feature is the cloud DVR, allowing you to record games and watch them later with the ability to skip ads. Additionally, YouTube TV supports up to 6 simultaneous streams, so multiple users can watch different games at once. However, there are some downsides. Certain RSNs, like Bally Sports, are currently unavailable due to carriage disputes, which may frustrate local sports fans. Also, ESPN Plus and other premium sports packages require separate subscriptions. For general sports viewing, YouTube TV delivers excellent value, but ensure your favorite teams and leagues are covered before subscribing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.